everyone, and welcome back. I sincerely appreciate all of you in my home bartender family. Thank you for coming back and watching me. By the way, I'm Anne, the home bartender, and this is a cocktail called the Artichoke Hold. It was created by Jeremy Oratel in Brooklyn at the Donna Cocktail Bar. He also created the bitter Mai Tai, and he says that that is a relative of today's cocktail. I finally broke down on the suggestion of Stéphane Foizet. I follow him on Instagram. He's at Stéphane Foizet 186. I will put that in the information description box below. Check him out because he convinced me to finally buy a bottle of Cynar, and I'm so happy I did. It is amazing. So let's go through the ingredients of the Artichoke Hold together next. You will need 3/4 of an ounce of Smith & Cross rum, 3/4 of an ounce of Cynar, a 1/2 ounce of St Germain, 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice, a 1/2 ounce of orgeat, and we will garnish with mint today. All right, let's mix the cocktail. We're going to use 1/2 ounce of orgeat. I'm using Liber & Co today. And then we're going to have 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Next is the 1/2 ounce of St Germain. Then we will use 3/4 of an ounce of Cynar. Now Cynar has that artichoke on the label there. It's not just an artichoke flavored digestif. It is a bittersweet Amaro digestif that is made with artichokes, but it also has other herbs in it. So that artichoke flavor is not super dominant. And then we're going to have 3/4 of an ounce of Smith & Cross rum. Let's get some ice in here. Shake this a little bit. Let's get our glass over here and pour this into the glass first. Then let's get our ice in the glass over the top. Then I'm going to put my Surfside Sips in there. I'm going to actually add a little bit more ice just to make it look really nice. Then let's get a little bit of mint in there. That looks good. That is an Artichoke Hold. I get to try this for you now. I'm super excited. Oh my God. This cocktail is so good. First, I get that Smith & Cross rum. It's funky and it has that banana quality as well as kind of a butterscotch flavor. It brings a lot to this cocktail. You do get the bitterness from the Cynar, and you do kind of get like a slightly artichoke flavor, I guess, but it's not really in the forefront and it's not overwhelming at all. The Navy strength rum, Smith & Cross, really brings a lot to it, and the St Germain comes in and then lends just a slight sweetness. It's got floral notes that come in really quick and go away really quickly. I like that in this cocktail. I also like the choice of orgeat and the lime together in the cocktail. That lends itself to like a tiki type feel, and it has a smoother mouth feel, I think, because of that. But what's interesting is I do get like a little molasses flavor as well. It's an interesting, excellent cocktail, and I thank Jeremy for creating it and Stéphane for encouraging me to pick up the Cynar. I really, really like this cocktail. That's it for me today. If you have been on the fence about buying Cynar, just go get it. It is super fun to play with, and why not try something new for a change? Follow Stéphane. I'll put his information in the description box below, and follow me at Home Bartender Anne on Instagram as well. I post a picture and a recipe there every Friday. See you next week for another great cocktail. Be well. First, I get the Smith & Cross